20th October. We are going to start revision of lesson number 1, chapter 1, sets. Let's start. Some pictures are given and shown, and it contains a group of things you know. We use special words for each of the collection of given in the example. In all the examples, we can clearly list the objects of the collection. We call the collection of such objects as sets. You can see here flower bouquet, bunch of keys, pile of notebooks are there. These are called as sets, in which you can clearly list the objects. Okay. Now see some more examples: flower bouquet, bunch of keys, flock of birds, pile of notebooks, collection of numbers. This in here we use some special word for bunch of flowers. So many flowers are there along together. So we use flower bouquet. And flock of birds. So many birds are there. So we use this word flock of birds, pile of notebooks, collection of numbers. Let's see some examples. Now students, we will take another example. Happy children in the village, brilliant students in the class. Okay. In both the examples, the word happy and brilliant. You can see here this happy word and brilliant word. These are relative terms. These are relative terms because the exact meaning of this word, to be happy and to be brilliant. To be happy and to be brilliant differ from person to person. Therefore, these collections are not sets. We cannot call this as sets. It will change from time to time. So these collections are not sets. Okay. Now let's see on page number 1. Some examples are given. In this revision lectures, we are going to solve each and every sums and each and every examples and solved examples, practice set, everything we are going to study. On page number 1, example is given. See the examples and decide whether it is a set or not. The first one is days of a week, month in a year, brave children in the class, first 10 counting numbers, strong force of Maharashtra, planets in our solar system. From this set, you cannot say that every example is a set. So here, which one is not a set and which one is a set? We can say days of a week is a set because we can clearly mention days. Month in a year are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So we can say that is as a set because we can clearly mention. Brave children in the class is not a set. So it will differ from person to person and will change from time to time. First 10 counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can clearly mention the list of 10 counting numbers. So you can say it as set. Strong force of Maharashtra. It may change. Strong force of Maharashtra will not be always a strong force. It may become weak. Planets in our solar system. These are sets. We can clearly mention all the planets of our solar system. So here we came to know whether we have decided whether it is a set or not. So what is the definition of a set? If we can definitely and clearly decide the object of a given collection, then that collection is called a set. So generally the name of the set is given using capital letter A, B, C, D, and so on till Z. The member or element of the set are shown by using small letters A, B, C, small a, small b, small c. If A is in, so this way we mention or name the set of using capital letters and members of the elements using small letters. So let's see how we use small letter for elements and how we use small capital letters for set, name of the set. Now here you can see that if A is an element of set A, then we write is as A belongs to A, and this way you write A belongs to A. Okay. So if A is not an element of set, then we write A does not belong to A. That means A is not an element of A. This way we used to write. Now let us observe the set of numbers. Like for example, N. N is natural number 1, 2, 3, and so on till Z is a set of natural numbers. Before studying this listing method or roster method, I will show you a different slide of, let's wait. Here the same definition is given. Collection of sets that falls under a certain rule or condition. These objects are called elements or member of the set. Here you can see some examples. Set of tires, set of encyclopedias. Now here in maths we say a set of whole number is written as A is equal to, how do we write a set? Capital letter A is mentioning set of whole number is equal to curly bracket open 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. We don't know the last number because it is whole number and it is infinite. So here we name the set as A. You can name it as W also, using first letter of whole number. And we start with curly bracket open, curly bracket close, and all the elements are separated by comma. If their numbers are infinite, then we mention it as dot dot dot. We'll see what is this dot 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 is called as. In math, set of integers are 0, all the positive numbers and all negative numbers. How do we write? C? B is equal to set. Here it says you have to starting in you have to write dot 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 -3, -2, -1. That means -1, -2, -3, and so on is here on left hand side. Then 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on right hand side. That means both the sides it is infinite. Okay. Now let's see some more examples. Reading. How do we read and which symbols we use in sets? This is very much important, and how we have to write the sets. See, what are these? These are some symbols we use or writing the sets. Okay, this is capital L A. This is the name of the set. It denotes a set using a capital letter. These are the elements of set 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. This is the element of set, member of the set. Okay, there is only three numbers 1, 2, 3. Comma is the separator for elements. Elements को separate करने के लिए we use comma. Curly braces open and curly braces close. Braces are used for enclosing elements of set. This is very important. Without using all these things, you cannot say write the set. Okay, we can take the screenshot of it. This is very important. Take note, the only correct fence or enclosure. This is very important knowledge for you all. We always say round bracket, box bracket, curly bracket. This way you write, but here curly braces are called as braces, B-R-A-C-E-S, and round bracket is called as parenthesis. Parenthesis is called as round bracket, and braces is called as curly bracket, and this box bracket is called as bracket. Actually, this is called as bracket, and this is called as parenthesis, round bracket, and this is braces. Okay, this is very important knowledge for you all. We read this as, how do we read this element? This set. The set A contains the elements 1, 2, and 3. This way you have to read out. So here some questions are also in written. Write the following symbolic statement in words. When this question will come, you have to write like this. Set A contains the elements 1, 2, and 3. So see some more examples. Read what element this set has. So here set M contains math, science, English, music, and health. This way you have to write in words. Next, set A contains 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Or else you can write that A contains the elements 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. See, what is this symbol? The symbol is called as an element, is an element of. Is an element of. The symbol for is an element of is this one. A is equal to 1, 2, 3. So here we say that set A contains 1, 2, and 3. So we use this symbol to indicate that an element is a part of that set. That means what? If 1 is there in the set A, we call it, write it down like this: 1 belongs to A. That means 1 is an element of A. If 2 is an element of A, whether they are asking, so we write it as 2 is an element of A. 3 is also an element of A. But what about 4? 4 is not an element of A. So here we will learn how do we write is an element of or is not an element of. Is an element of, we write it as this way. And is not an element of के लिए हम लोग क्या use करते हैं? We will see next. Is an element of 1, 2, 3. Is an element of A. Is a member of A. Also we write. Okay. So 1, 2, and 3 are always an element of A. But what about the next number? But how about those who are not an element of a particular set? So we write it as does not belongs to or is not an element of A. That means we have to cross this. Is an element of A को cross कर देंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? Is not an element of that set. Okay. So see, 1, 2, 3. We are having this set 1, 2, 3. It consists of 3 numbers, 3 elements, 1, 2, 3. 4 is not an element of that set. So how do we write 4 does not belong to A or 4 is not an element of A? This way. Now, what do you call a set with one and only one element? One and only one element set is called as unit set or a singleton set. SINGLETON. Singleton set. Okay. So B has only one element, which is called as apple. So we call a set with one and only one element a unit set or a single set. How about those with no elements? If there is no element, then this set is called as empty set or null set. That means which will be empty. It will be an empty set. An empty set is called as 5. This is called as 5. Or an empty set means blank braces will be there. Curly braces open, curly braces close, and there is no element in between. Okay. We call the set with no elements as empty set or null set. We use the symbol to indicate it. Okay. Now finite and infinite set. Finite set is a set that has definite number of elements. A is equal to A, B, C, D, and so on till Y and Z. Infinite set is a set that elements never comes to an end. यहाँ पे, here you can see it has an end, that is Z. हाँ? तो इसीलिए this set is called as finite set. A finite set are called, finite set is what? Which has countable and limited numbers of sets, which you can count. So they are called as finite sets. See some examples. See here, this I told you, ellipsis. These 3 dots are called as ellipsis. We use 3 dots or ellipsis to indicate that there are elements in the set that have not been written down. That means they are not written down, but there are elements. Therefore, this dot are mentioned in the list. So how do we write? It is read as and so on and so forth. And so on and so forth means, let's try to read this set with an ellipsis. With an ellipsis means what? That C contains, this is set C, written in blue. The C contains, this is called as contains, equal to the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, dot, dot is called as, and so on and so forth, up to 82. These colors are mentioned, purple color for up to 82, dot, dot, dot is in blue color, and so on and so forth. And 1, 2, 3, 4, the elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And contains means, contains की जगह तुमको क्या लिखना है? Equal to and bracket open. This way you have to write. Okay? In words. Let's try to read this with an ellipsis. The D contains, the D contains, written in black, 15, 30, 45, the elements 15, 30, 45, and so on and so forth, up to 80, 180. Okay? Let's see next one more example. Set E contains A, B, C, the elements A, B, C, and so on and so forth, up to Z. This way you have to write in words. There are two ways of describing sets, which I am going to show you in this list. Roster notation, roster method, and listing method, in which you are preparing list for mentioning all the elements of sets. And rule method is set builder form, where you have to write the rules of the sets, which rule we are going to use. Okay. So the set integers, first we are going to study listing method. Okay. Listing method. The example, set integer between 0 and 5. Equal sign, set name. You have to write, then equal sign, then curly braces open, then the elements between 0 and 5. Elements between 0 and 5 means you don't have to use 0 and 5. You have to use 1, 2, 3, 4. All the elements should be separated by comma and then closing braces. Okay, opening braces, closing braces. This way you have to write the set. Now see one more example, set of vowels, letters in the English alphabet. J is the name of the set, equal sign, then opening braces, and then elements separated by comma. What are those elements of vowels? Set of vowels A, E, I, O, U. Write in rough first, then write pair, separated by comma, then closing braces. This way you have to list the elements of or objects. Okay. Set builder notation के some examples are given. Then अभी ये वाले एग्जाम्पल हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे. We have to convert list into set builder form, or else you can say that rule method. 1, 2, 3, 4 को हम we will convert into set builder notation. Now see here, this is the list given in listing method. We have to write in set builder notation. A is equal to set of all x such that x is counting number less than 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Less than 5 means you don't have to count 5. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How do we write? We will see some notifications. How we have to write set builder notation. Okay. ये तो simple था. इसके आगे we will see some more examples and add examples also. Here, this is the way of writing set builder notation. Here you can see clearly 1, 2, 3, 4 is an example of listing method. A is equal to, this is set A. How do we read this? X, yellow में लिखा है, is the set of all X. Set A is the set of all X. Such that you can see a vertical line is there in red, that is called as such that. Then X is a counting number less than 5. It is written in green. You can see X is a counting number less than 5. Then closing braces. So here you can read it out like this. A is the set of all X such that X is counting number less than 5. We will see some more examples. How do we write a rule method? And how do we read it? E is equal to red, yellow, blue. These are primary colors, as you know. We do it like this. E is equal to E. How do we write? equal to you have to write same way. First x लिखना है तुमको, then you write down x such that x is primary color, then closing bracket. Okay, this way you have to write set name, opening braces, then vertical bar is called as such that, then you have to write the rule, which rule you are using here, then closing braces. This way you have to write the set. And how do we read this set? The set E is a set name, contains set of all x written in yellow is the set of all x written in red, vertical bar such that is a primary color, written in green is a primary color. Same you have to write. Okay. We'll see some examples of numbers also. Here the example of number is given. Primary color ho gaya. The question is C is equal to 5, 10, 15 and so on and so forth till 50. I'm using the word ellipsis in word. Okay. 50. Write equal sign. C set name. Set C. Yellow में देखो first x, all the x is a set of all x such that written in red, vertical bar such that x is positive multiple of 5 up to 50. X is positive multiple of 5 up to 50. How you come to know? This is the table of 5 up to 10. So you can write like this also. This is the multiple of 5 up to 50. That means 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15 and so on till 50. 50 5 10 is 50. You can write like this also. X is equal to 5n, where n belongs to natural number and n less than 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You are going to substitute in x equal to 5n. You will get this value. X equal to 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15 and so on till 5 11, 5 10 is 50. 11 तुमको use नहीं करना है. Or else you can write n less than or equal to 10 also, but this will make confused. So don't write this. This is very clear that n less than 11. Okay. Next, list the elements of the following set. Now you have to convert rule method into listing method. X less than 3, x greater than 3, x is an odd integer. Greater than 3 all odd integers you have to list out. S is equal to curly braces open 5, 7, 9, 11 all odd numbers and all odd integers which are greater than 3 and dot and so on and so forth. Closing bracket. This way you have to list out the elements x greater than 3. So see some examples. Now see here. इधर पे हमारा था क्या? What we have used x greater than 3. So we have not used this 3 here in the list because x was strictly greater than 3. This is called as x is strictly greater than 3. Also we write or as x greater than or equal to 3. This way we read x greater than or equal to 3 or x strictly greater than 3. Okay, that means 3 is not including in the list. So here we have used 5, 7, 9, 11. We'll see the next example in which they have used x greater than or equal to 3 and x is an odd integer. So here we will include 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on and so forth. S is equal to the same name we will use for the listing method. Name of the set we will not change. Okay. Let's see some more examples. H is equal to set of all x. I'm reading out the set. How I'm reading? Listen carefully. H is equal to set of all x such that 2 less than x less than 3. That means 2 and 3 are not included. X is a counting number. Counting number means what? X is natural number, which is counting number. In between 2 and 3. Is there any counting number? There is not a single counting number in between 2 and 3. Therefore, we can list out this element, this set as empty set. There is not a single element in between 2 and 3, or you can say as 5. This is called as 5. Empty set or 5. Let's see one more example of empty set. List the elements of the following set. Given M is equal to set of all X such that X is a calendar month with names containing Z. Calendar month, is there any month which has Z? January has not Z. February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Not a single name of the month having Z containing Z. Therefore, M is equal to empty set or phi. Okay, which is not possible, then the set will be empty. Now see, we will see some examples written in textbook question page number 2 and 3. Listing method or roster method. Now clearly we will write down in this method, we write all the elements of a set in curly brackets. Each of the elements is written only once and separated by commas. The order of an element is not important, but it is necessary to write all the elements of the set. For example, set of odd numbers. You can see this example, listing method or roster method में तुमको example लिखना है. For example, set of odd numbers. I have shown you how to write the set. The set name you have to write first, then equal to sign, then the close opening braces, then all the elements separated by comma, then closing braces. So this way you have to write. So the set of odd numbers between 1 and 10 can be written as 3, 5, 7, 9 and 5, 3, 7, 3, 5, 9. This way also you can write. Order is not important. All the elements should be there in the curly braces, in both the curly braces, and it should be separated by comma. And you have to write all the elements of the set. Okay. If an element, we'll see one more example. If an element comes more than once, it is customary to write the element only once. For example, in the word remember, REMEMBER, you have to write the, what is the question here? Write the letter, X letter of the word remember. Okay. So you have to list out all these letters. The letters R, M, E. These are repeated more than once. You can see here, R is repeated twice, M is repeated twice, and E is repeated thrice. Okay. So these three are repeated twice, thrice. So, for example, so that the letters of this word is written as A is equal to R, comma, E, comma, A is equal to closing braces open, curly braces, R, comma, E, comma, M, comma, B, curly braces close. This way you have to write the set. Okay. We will see so many examples. Then only you, there are two methods of writing sets. The next method is rule method or set builder form. In this method, we do not write the list of elements, but write the general elements using variable followed by a vertical line or colon, write the property of the variable. We write the rule, or which rule you have used. Example, I've shown you how do we write the set in roster method or set builder form. A is equal to set of all X such that vertical line X belongs to natural number 1 less than X less than 10. इसको लिस्ट में कैसे लिखेंगे हम लोग? A is equal to 1 in between 1 and 10. 1 and 10 are not included. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Curly braces close. Okay. This way you have to list out. But how do we read this set? The set A contains set A is the set of all X such that X is natural number between 1 and 10. X is natural number between 1 and 10. This way you have to read out this set. To see some more examples, on page number 3, you can see B is equal to set of all X such that set of all x such that x is prime number between 1 and 10. So here, how do we read? Set B contains all the prime numbers between 1 and 10. So by using listing method, set B can be written as, what are the prime numbers between 1 and 10? 2 is the first even prime number, then 3, then all odd numbers, 5, 7, 9 is not a prime number because it is divisible by 3. Prime number is what? Prime number is divisible by 1 and itself. You see some more examples. On page number 3, there is a table written in the following examples. Each set is written in both the methods. You can x a is equal to set of all x such that x is letter of the word division. This can be written in the list form. D I V I should not be written again. S O N. Yes, we have to write D I V D comma I comma V comma S comma O comma N in curly braces close. This way you have to write the enlisting method. Now see here, set B. Set B is equal to set of all y such that y is number such that y square is equal to 9. If y square is equal to 9, taking square root on both sides, we get y is equal to root 9. And root 9 is what? Plus and minus 3. Plus and minus 3 is the answer you got. So you have to write in the listing method, b is equal to minus 3 comma 3. C is equal to, next example, C is equal to set of all z such that z is multiple of 5 and is less than 30. So C is equal to multiple of 5 means what? And it is less than 30. 30 should not be included. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, and 5 5s are 25. You have to write the table of 5. Whenever, whenever the multiple of 5 and division of 5 लिखा रहेगा, तो तुमको you have to use the table of that number. Okay? Till less than 30 means till 25 you have to write. So it will be listing out like C is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and close the bracket. Now see page number 3 pe you can see some examples are given in the table listing or roster method. You have to solve this and convert into rule method, and rule method को तुमको listing method में convert करना है. So how you will use? First example is solved for you. A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. So how you will write in rule method? A is equal to set of all x such that x is an even natural number less than 15. These are all are, you have to observe this list and you have to convert in which rule it is used. You have to write that rule in here. So x is an even natural number. These are all even natural numbers. Less than 15 means only till 14. So you have to write 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So see the next example. B is equal to set of all x such that x is a perfect square number between 1 to 20. Between 1 to 20, what are all perfect square? You have to write the same name of the set. B is equal to all perfect square are what? You see the next slide, you can see 1, 4, 9, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, and 4 square is 16. Less than 20 is only 4 perfect squares are there. So you have to list out those 4 numbers. Next question is C is equal to A, E, I, O, U. What are these? These are the vowels of the alphabet A, E, I, O, U. So how you will write? C is equal to set of all x such that x is a vowel of English alphabet. This way you have to write in rule method. You see the next question. D is equal to y, set of all y such that y is a color in the rainbow. What are the colors in the rainbow? You have to learn B, I, B, G, Y, O, R. This is VIBGYOR. VIBGYOR means you have to write in this in the word full form. D is equal to equal to opening braces, violet, comma, indigo, comma, blue, comma, green, comma, yellow, comma, orange, comma, red. Okay, this way you have to write VIBGYOR. This is called as VIBGYOR. You see the next example. B is equal to set of all x such that x is an integer and minus 3 less than x less than 3. That means in between minus 3 and 3, you can see in the number line. In the number line, minus 3 is there here and plus 3 is here. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. The number line you can see minus 2 till 2 is there numbers. So we will list out those numbers. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. These are the elements in P. See, last example is M is equal to 1, 8, 27, 64, 125 and so on. What are these? These are the cubic numbers. Cubic numbers means 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube and so on. So here you have to write M is equal to set of all x such that x is cube of natural numbers. You can write directly, or else one more way is there to write this set is x is equal to n cube. Okay, n cube. This way you have to write x is equal to n cube, where n belongs to natural number. This way also you can write, if you are not able to write x is the cube of the natural number. Okay, anything can be written. Now see here, a natural number is what? Natural number is the set of all natural numbers. It is denoted by capital N. And we write it as 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. This is an infinite set. Okay. And W is denoted by, whole number is denoted by W. And it is written as 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. This way you have to write the set of whole numbers. Then see, I is what? Set of all integers. This can be written as 0, all positive numbers, dot, 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 and all negative numbers, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, dot, dot, both sides it is infinite. The last one is Q is rational number and R is real number. Rational numbers are all fractions and decimals. Okay. Now see the next one. Now we are going to start with practice set 1.1. We will do it slowly, and each and every sums we are going to solve in all the lectures. Let's start. Practice set 1.1. Write the following sets in roster form. The first question is set of even natural numbers. Even natural numbers are what? Even numbers are what? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And even natural number. Natural number में से वो तुमको even natural numbers तुमको separate करना है 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and dot, dot, dot. This way you have to list. What is the question? Set. Write the set in roster form. That means you have to write all the list of the elements. Okay. Let's see the next question. Set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. What are all prime numbers? Prime numbers are starting from 2. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. These are divided by itself and 1. But here, what is asked? What is asked here? 1 to 50. 1 to 50. What is even prime number? Even prime number is only one and only one, which is 2. यहाँ पे अगर 5000 भी आ जाता था तो we have to write the 2 itself. Okay, only 2. This is also called as singleton set. Question number 3. Set of negative integers. What are set of negative integers? Number line you can see here. All 0 and positive numbers are there, and negative integers are -1, -2, -3. This way also you can write in the opposite way, -1, -2, -3 and dot, dot, dot. Or this way also you can write -1, -2, -3 and dot, dot, dot. This way you have to. You can write. Both the methods are right. You have to name the set also. Here, the set of negative integers are labeled as C. 7 basic sounds of Sargam. What are the 7 basic sounds of Sargam? Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa bhi tha. But the sa is repeated twice. Therefore, here it is written as 7 basic sounds of Sargam. You have to write sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni tak ही लिखना है तुमको. Okay? Now, what is the next question? I've shown you how to write the symbolic statements in Word. The next question is write the following symbolic statements in Word. 4/3 belongs to Q means 4/3 is an element of set Q. Is an element of set Q. Set is Q is rational number. Okay. So here we write it in Word. 4/3 is an element of set Q. The next question is -2 does not belongs to n. N is your set n or natural number also you can say. So how we write is -2 is not an element of set n. -2 is not an element of set n. This way you have to write in Word. The next question is this you have to write in Word. P is equal to P is equal to set of all P such that P is an odd number. So you have to write in words how you are reading. Set P is a set of all P such that P is an element of odd number. A P is an all odd number. Okay. So you have to write in words like this. The next question, page number 4 पे देखो practice set 1.1 is there. Write any two sets by listing method or by rule method. This is an open-ended question. You can write any set using listing method and rule method both. Okay. तो जो भी तुम्हारा ध्यान में आता है, whichever is simple and you will get full marks. So you have to write those elements. Listing method में तो यहाँ पे simple example लिया गया है देखो. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Huh? All the days of the week are written here. In rule method, how do we write? Set of all x such that x is the day of the week. We have written in both the methods. You have to write two sets. One set is over. Okay. One set is written in listing method and rule method also. The next one is B is a set of all letters in the word mathematics. This is a verbal, and this one is listing method. M A E H E M A T H E. M is written over there again. Therefore, M we are not writing. Once again, A is there. A भी नहीं लिखेंगे. Then T also written twice. Then we will write I C S. I C S. This way you have to write. List the letter of the word mathematics. In rule method, how we will write a set of all x such that x is the letter in the word mathematics. These are the two simple examples written here. Okay. All months in the next question is question number 4. Write the following sets using listing method. The first question is all months. Here you have to write in list method. That means you have to prepare a list. All months in the Indian solar year. What are those months? Chaitra, Vaishakh, Jeshth, Ashadh, Shravan, Bhadra, Ashwin, Kartik, Agran, Paush, Magh, Falgun. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All the 12 months are mentioned here. Okay. So you have to write in this way. And you have to name the set also. Next question is letter in the word complement. Letter in the word complements are C O M. You will write P. You have to cross this, huh? P L MENT है तो MENT में which one you will not write? M नहीं लिखना है. E also you don't have to write it again. And T. This way you have to complete the set in listing method. COMP, COMPLE, M and E are repeated twice. You don't have to write that E and T. Okay. You see the next question. Set of human sensory organs. What are the sensory organs? There are 5 sensory organs you have studied in 3rd standard. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. These are 5 sensory organs you have to mention in list. For closing, opening braces, closing braces, and all these are separated by comma. Next question. Next question, set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. This we have studied so many times. All the prime numbers you have to mention till 20. Okay, between 1 and 20. So what are those? 2, 3, 5, 7. 2 के बाद में all the odd numbers are there. 9 is not there. 9 is divisible by 3. 11, 13, 15 is divisible by 5 and 3. So it will not be coming. 17 and 19. This is the last number till 20. Okay. So you have to list out this numbers. Next question is question number 5. Name of continents of the world. This you have to learn. Okay. All the months in the Indian solar year. Set of human sensory organs. I have told you. Color in the rainbow. These things you have to learn. So see here. Names of the continents of the world is, as you have studied in geography, A is equal to set of curly braces open, Asia, Africa, Australia, Antarctica, Europe, South America, North America. So these are continents of the world. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 continents of the world. You have to mention. Okay. You see the next question. Write the following sets. We will see this in the next lecture. We have studied practice set 1.1. We will revise it again. I will start with practice set 1.1 in the next lecture. Neha miss?
Yes, teacher.
I will end up my lecture.